The check-in kiosk is a virtual front desk that can be brought up on any computer or tablet for guests, so they can check themselves in or add themselves to a walk-in list. To use this feature, simply bring up the check-in kiosk screen on a client-facing computer or tablet. You can navigate to the check-in kiosk from either the home screen or from the navigation. The logo in the upper left-hand corner can be customized to show your own business logo. To do this, go to Setup and then Setup Company to upload your logo. Any appointments for the day will be listed in chronological order by client name. It will show the services that they have booked, along with the worker that they're scheduled with. When a client checks in from the check-in kiosk, their appointment status will be updated to checked in. If you would like to use the walk-in feature, or if somebody is walking in for service and doesn't have an appointment, they will simply click in the upper right-hand corner where it says, Walk in, click here. This will ask them for their first name, last name, requested service, and requested worker. Click the plus button to add additional services to a walk-in. Once they click check-in, they will be added to the walk-in waiting list. By default, the check-in kiosk will stay on the last page. To navigate back to the appointment list, simply click the upper right-hand corner that says Have an appointment, click here. Now we'll go to the appointment page. When you click on Waiting List, you'll see a list of walk-ins and timestamps of when they walked in for that appointment. Here, I can select a specific worker to look for, or if I use my waiting list for the appointment book, I can also select to see walk-ins only. Let's say Sarah is here for her service with Lizzie. She is in the waiting room, and Lizzie is ready to take her back. I'm going to click Check In. A pop-up will come up asking if this is a new client. Clicking the New Client button will automatically create a client and refresh the page. Or I can associate Sarah with an existing client. The appointment will now have a checked-in status, so if I go to the checkout list in my appointment book, it will be placed right there.
For more information, or for any general questions you may have about the tool, feel free to check out our extensive online knowledge base at support.marketing360.com or send us an email at support@marketing360.com.